Hi, Ron Strader here again with Energy Swing Windows, the Director of Manufacturing. I would like to show you our slider window and how it operates. As you can see here, this is a 3-panel slider. To get this window to operate for the ease of cleaning, we open our sash up. We have latches at the top that we push upward, latches at the bottom that we push downward. This gives you the operation of our sash. It would be the same with this side. Latches at the top go upward, latches at the bottom go downward. That should open the sash for the ease of cleaning. The phenomenal part about this window is the center sash also has latches that go up on the top, down on the bottom, and you're able to swing our center panel. Opposite, to lock the window up, shut the window in place, top sashes, latches come down, bottom latches come up. Our sides do the same. Back to the center, latches come down at the top, up at the bottom, lock. We would do the same for this sash over here.